Okay, so I found an aftermarket. Nice and clean. So let's install it. Hopefully we have a working window. Okay, so I got the camera set up so you can see it. I got the all the assembly back in. I'm not sure how this is coming out because I can't see it. So I got the bolts all in loose. There's 6 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and then the 3 over here in the same spot. So you want to make sure when you put this in that it's on this side of the glass, because if it's on the other side you're going to have problems. So just some other pointers for you. So anyway, yeah, just tighten up the bolts. And then we're going to move the glass down and line it up on the holders. Okay, so all the bolts are tightened up. Now I'm going to carefully remove the tape and set the glass down into these sleeves. I want to make sure they're pretty loose. So try to set the camera where you can see. Whoops, we weren't supposed to do that. YouTube will not like that. Alright. Hopefully you can somewhat see what's going on here. Alright. Of course I got sticky junk all over the glass. Oh yeah, junk. Now this window fits pretty tight in here without the tape, but I just did it. See, it's sliding now. Alright. So now I'm going to ever so carefully, let's get this down so you can see it, line it up with these holders. Oh, please don't break. Okay, we're almost in on one of them. And I'm crooked. Hopefully I can get it right where it is, where the old one was. Okay, it looks like I gotta loosen the... No, that's where it goes. It's different. This one is different than the original. Okay, so it is different. So you can see the dirty spot on the glass here and the clean spot. So these sit down in a little bit different than the original did. So I probably can't see this one. But it's resting where it should be, and it looks like it's relatively straight. So let's try that. Okay, I'm going to give this a test run first. So you need to plug the control box back in before I tighten this up, because I want to make sure we're somewhat in the ballpark here. That's interesting. Oh, I didn't plug it in. Duh. That would help. I'm like, what the heck? Okay. Try number 2. Ah! Okay. I want to make sure that the window is lining up properly over here. Okay, and it does appear to be. Okay. So the window stayed because it's kind of high, it's a tight fit toward the top, which is fine. I just wanted to see if this was going to work right. And it did. So, that being said, let's line this back up again. That was good. It helps when the motor's plugged in. Okay. Alright, so it looks like we're where we belong, so I'll tighten this up and then we'll resume. Okay, so I now have it mounted. Let's see if it works. Good. The express down clicks back. Nice. So anyway, that's how you do it. I'm almost wondering if maybe I should lube up the track a little bit. Wonder if that's why it's having a little trouble toward the top. Of course, the engine's not running, the battery's voltage is down because I've been playing with this too, so anyway, that's how you do it. It really wasn't that bad, actually. I think the biggest pain in the neck was that stupid water barrier thing. Junk. So anyway, now it's reassembly time, and I'll show you how that's done.